Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a personal line of credit on Twoguysfinance. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website and click on personal line of credit, and here you're going to review the different personal line of credit options and just choose the one that suits you the best. And then you're going to click on apply now once you find that, and you need to fill out the online application form. Now there you're going to need to attach required documents such as proof of income, as well as a means of identification. And once that's submitted, it's going to be reviewed, and you need to review and agree to the personal line of credit's terms and conditions. So make sure you read through that carefully, just so you know what you're getting into. And once that's submitted, you're going to receive a personal line of credit decision. And if the decision is that it's approved, you're going to need to review and sign the loan documents. Once that's done, just submit and receive the funds into your account. And you can use Twoguysfinance online banking platform, that's the website, or you can use the mobile app to manage your personal line of credit payments in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a personal line of credit on Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like